Hello pal! Teleporting is one of the most useful script in Roblox game. That's why today we are going to learn how to make teleport pad. Alright, now let's prepare the teleport pad. Step 1. Make a normal pad where players will step to teleport. Step 2. Make the destination. This can be another pad or a specific location in your game. That's it. Yup, it's pretty simple. So now insert a script into the pad. This script will be a bit different from the ones in my previous video, so pay attention and redo what I do. Okay, let's start scripting. Local pad equal script.Parent, local db equal true, pad.Touched connect function hit if game.Players GetPlayerFromCharacter hit.Parent and db equal true, then hit.CFrame equals CFrame.new. Okay, now this is the location, but the waypoint will be set to 2.5. db equal false, task.wait 0.5, db equal true. And there you have it. It may look a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, I'll explain everything after we taste it. Now let's hop into the game and test it. Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much, so let's just hit the pad. Hey, it's worked perfectly. You are curious about how it works, right? Okay, let's move to our script game. Okay, let me quickly explain the key part of the script. The CFrame.new is used to set the player's position to the destination coordinates. We also added a cooldown using task.wait to prevent the teleport from being spammed or buggy. It's that simple. If you're still unsure, feel free to rewatch this part of the video. Hey pal, before you leave this video, I have some challenge for you. So you need to create a teleport pad, but the both pad must be able to teleport you from pad 1 to pad 2 or pad 2 to pad 1. Yeah, this challenge is kinda tricky, but if you trust in yourself, then you will get it. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments. So we are already in the final segment. If you're new, I want you to visit my channel. There's so many easy and understandable tutorial Roblox developer videos. That's all what I want to say. So see you in the next video, pal.